200. A T. 1 T. I'd like to buy a vowel and A. Yes, there's 1 A. I'll spin. $300. An N. Nope, no N. Barry, your turn.
Is there an R?
Yes, there is 1 R. You have a little money now.
Spin.
$200. H. There is an H. Yes, sir. You have $500.
I'm going to buy a vowel,
Right.
an E.
Yeah, 1 E. Right there.
Spin.
Okay. $800.
C.
No, no C. Barbara. $700.
K, please.
Nope, no K. Brian, you try it. Or you
I will spin.
Okay. $300.
An M.
Yes, 1 M. Well, you have $750 now, Brian. What do you want to do?
I'll buy an O.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. There are 2 of them. But we are now out of vowels, so you have to spin the wheel to solve the puzzle.
I will spin.
Okay. $700.
An L.
Yeah, there is an L. You kind of grab that one out of the air. Work for you. $1,200.
I'll spin.
All right. $500.
An F.
Yes, there is an F. Oh, well, Brian, $1,700. I guess just say what's up there, huh?
Foal's mother.
Yeah, you got it. That's right.